Got the 4L60 here on the bench. We got our kit all ready to go. Got the upgraded housing, also known as the Beast. I don't plan on putting a lot of power into this thing. Like, I want to keep the engine stock, but at the same time, I want to make sure that it's future-proof, which is why I am doing the whole tear down, the whole rebuild. We got shift solenoids, we got only bushings, we got every gasket you can ever want, and we have a complete video walkthrough step by step from the guys at Transmission Bench. So I'm really looking forward to that. Anyway, this is wild. I never would have thought I'd be doing a transmission, but here we are. So let's just start. If you notice these two, those were a tough battle, but thankfully the rest came out without much incident. My goodness. If you're doing this, get the right bit. Alright, you're gonna have to forgive me for not having any video during the disassembly process. I was really trying to focus on not screwing up the disassembly because the instructions were very clear on take this piece of part, put it on this specific part of your bench in this specific orientation, and I really just wanted to focus on that and not deal with cameras. I had to paint this thing while it was apart, and while I was at the auto parts store I just saw this really cool looking Duplicolor paint that I wanted to give a shot. It's the Duplicolor metal coat, so it's supposed to be like that transparent finish so you can see the bare metal through it. I think it came out pretty cool. I'm actually a huge fan of this color. And the output shaft is connected. New bushings on the outer ring disc over here. Back on the theme of not recording video and really trying to pay attention to what I'm doing. Getting the input drum assembled, I needed some questionable methods to get this snap ring out, but all worked out fine. Got my clutch packs in. I had to retake these measurements probably 5-6 times, and I ended up needing a new part, so that was a little frustrating. But got a new seal on the pump, got a new bushing on the pump, rebuilt it, cleaned it up. Can't remember if that's a new spring or not. Transmission's back together. This thing was like 3 steps forward, 2.5 steps backwards. Measure twice, pull it apart, put it back in, measure it again, ask for help, order different parts. It was tough, but it's back together, and I think it's gonna work. We just won't know until we made it up with the engine and actually get the thing firing. So, on that note, I will catch you guys later after I clean up my shop, and we'll have the LS out here and we'll dig into the oil pan and we'll see what it looks like.